Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This customer tipped $3. They are a clown and they are broke. But you know what? That's alright. We finna see what we get next. I'm already pissed off. We just got order number 3. And it's very, very bad. It's just as bad as the first 2 orders. We got $10, 8.9 miles. And guess what? At Wingstop, if I go up in here and they talking about some, here's a cup to fill up a drink, I'm gonna probably have to go ahead and get the boxing gloves out the trunk because I'm not having it. This is 3 trash orders in a row, guys. Absolutely horrible. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for me, man, because look, we finna be up in there just like them, sitting waiting for a freaking bag of wings. Absolutely insane, bro. I hope at least I can go down the highway on this one, man, because we done did a 10-mile order, which really was 20-mile round trip. We done did a $7 order, which really was a $5 order because of freaking $2 peak pay. And now we on 10 bucks for basically 9 miles. This is gonna be 18 miles round trip. And they probably gonna ask your boy to fill up a drink, bro. This is ass. This is straight up ass. They ain't sent the nigga no add-on. They ain't sent the nigga shit. But trash. This is crazy. I'm about to bring y'all up in here with me, man, because I know they about to be on some BS. They better not ask me to fill a drink, or this customer is not getting a drink. Let me see. Yep, it's a Dr. Pepper on here. Yeah, all right. Let them not be filling up Dr. Peppers. They won't be getting no Dr. Pepper. Good old Wingstop, my favorite spot in the whole damn universe. They got some bags up there. You got one for Taylor?
Bad, man.
Taylor. Yes.
Wasn't able to make the drink.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Don't even worry about it. I'll set this down real quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set this down real quick. Yeah, I knew he's finna be on some bullshit. Talking about some, I ain't have time to make it, but he's sitting up there walking around, not doing shit. They be on some BS up in there. And he be trying to play dumb. And I'm gonna play dumb right with him. I'm out of here. I'm not making no drink. You wanna play games? Hey, guess what? I can play games too. I ain't coming back for that shit. Hell no. I'm out. That bag been sitting up there for hours. They ain't getting no damn drink. Hell no, they ain't getting no drink. I don't even like picking up at Wingstop for that reason. You think I'm finna be in there making damn drinks? No. I don't work for Wingstop. And his ass up there sitting around looking all goofy. Ah, you better get back there and get to making them drinks so the customer ain't getting no drink. Straight up. Every time I come in there, he be on that same boy looking dumb and not making drinks. I'm not making no drink, bro. And if y'all seen my live streams, y'all know exactly who I'm talking about. It's that same dude, bro. I'm not making no drink. I'm out. I'm about to hit this highway and drive these 9 miles as fast as possible. Why? Because I ain't got no drink in the car with me. That's why. Stop playing with me. All right, let me get my black ass over here and deliver this Wingstop order. Oh, I can't see nothing. Nah, I really can't see. There we go.